Today we're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna unbox this. So what we're gonna unbox. So let's unbox. So we're gonna try it. Because I don't do the spelling. And so my friend just do a random order. Okay, we're gonna not put those in the order. Let's okay, we got it. So let's put it in here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so just this will be in a bag. This will be in the front. Something in, pushing it down and down. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. I think I almost did it. It has to look good. And just you're gonna like and subscribe before I put these in. And 3, 2, 1. Adding all the freebies, the small ones. Oh, so okay, I'm gonna get something back. Okay, now I think this. We're here. Okay, now I found it. Okay, now we're gonna put some money inside. Just put. Just add 6 pesos. So we're looking for. Is it a 5? Wrong. Piso. 5. No. 5. Okay, piso. Okay. Oh, finally found a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pesos. Just put it. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's add it to this. Okay, now let's add it. I think I add some. Okay, add 2 and then 1. 1, 2, 3. Let's add the last one. Okay, I added the money over here. Let's just put it back. Okay, I think the order is almost done. Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, let's tie it up. Okay, here's the order. Bye! Thanks for watching! Bye!